Hi, I'm Paul from Leather Revive. I'm going to show you now the effectiveness of our leather repair. This seat of a 4-year-old BMW is in very good condition, apart from the usual damage getting in and out. This has been very well looked after, low mileage, so it is only minor damage. If you go onto our website, you will see a lot more extreme examples of this. Firstly, I shall clean the leather. This is using leather cleaner from our care kit, which is available at leatherrevive.co.uk. As you can see, I'm using a soft nail brush which gets into the leather, into the grain, and gets out that ingrained dirt and residue. Once the dirt is going away, it does reveal where the colour has gone and where it needs refinishing. This cleaner is very good. It doesn't have any waxes or anything. In fact, it's very good for de-waxing, which will help make the leather dye, the new leather dye, adhere to the leather. Unlike a lot of companies, we only repair what needs repairing. There's no point recolouring this area when that is the only area, or say that is the only area that needs doing. A lot of companies, rather than matching and blending, just redo the whole seat, which I don't believe in. Do as little coating as possible and then seal it in to blend it into the rest of the seat. I think you should keep the leather as original as possible, especially if it's for a classic car. Here is some dye, some pigment which I have mixed to match the leather. A lot of companies supply kits. The only problem with the kits is they're based on the colour of the leather from a sample when the leather was new. Over time the leather does deteriorate, it does oxidize, it gets affected by light, so I mix the colour to match the exact piece that I'm repairing, in which case it looks totally original and it won't look patchy, and generally it is much more authentic than using a care kit, using a colour care kit. I'm just going to agitate the leather a little bit now, adding a little bit of a combination of various chemicals which softens the original coating, removes any waxy residues from previous polishes, and makes the leather more accepting of the new dye which I'm going to put on. Put the dye on initially by hand, which works it into the grain and the pores and any cracks. I'll allow this to dry, and then if there is a slight colour difference, I then alter that to match perfectly once it is dried, and then I can airbrush the top coat on before sealing. This is just to smooth it over, blend it into the original before I apply the final coat, and then we can seal it in with a lacquer. I'm now just going to put a top coat of invisible lacquer, which should just put an extra barrier and improve the wearability of the seat now the colour has been reinstated. So there we have a restored BMW seat back to how it should be. So any more information you require, or if you want me to come and do the same to your vehicle, please contact me, Paul at leatherrevive.co.uk. That's Paul at leatherrevive.co.uk.